So what's happening at the demo center at AM.CO.za?
So this worked out pretty well. Actually, too simple. This is the demo center. We're going to have to step things up a little bit. We are going to be cutting some of the Platonic solids, and we are going to be doing the Icosahedron and the Dodecahedron. If you have no idea what those things are about, come on, I'm going to show you. All right, so we've just made our Platonic solids. This is a Icosahedron. You're just going to have to follow, because I think this is a Dodecahedron and this is a Icosahedron. Well, I'm not sure. You can maybe help us out. But if you would like to come and check out the machines and put them in action, you can simply book a demo with the sales team and bring some material, try them yourself.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit AM.CO.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. AM.CO.za, achievement matters.